going on YouTube? This is Libri Tech here, and I got a quick unboxing on this little device here. As you know, in my previous video before that, I got my hands on the iPad Pro 11-inch, and so since I wanted to be sort of my main desktop type thing to mobile desktop, I wanted to get some of the bells and whistles, which includes a SD card reader. It even has a USB 3.0 port on the back as well. Now I'm missing the pencil. I'll get that later, but for now I got the case and the keyboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly unbox this. Let's go ahead and peel this off and just get a knife. The downsides of having short fingernails. So just go ahead and take this knife here. There we go. So here to peel off. And so before we officially unbox it, this is the LENTION USB C adapter. So you have the micro SD and the SD card slot, and as well as the 3.0. So you can go ahead and read that if you want. Check it on the other side. There's QR code and nothing else. And I got in space gray because obviously I have a space gray iPad. First hand, you can feel the aluminum. There's your USB C, and again your SD, micro SD, and your USB 3.0. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this. Just give me a moment. Okay, I was just looking for my SD card here. What else comes in the box here? 24 hours. I guess that's for customer support and whatnot. And 12 months of warranty. And then a little pamphlet. Nobody's gonna really read the user manual. Yep, throw it off to the side. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this on here. There we go. Let's go put that in. So, okay, so I got my SD card inside here. Let me just take that out first. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this on the side. Make sure that it's firmly in there until you see the LED light pop up. And then what we're gonna do is just put our SD card inside there. That's simple. And then what we're gonna go ahead and do is just go to Files. And you'll see it pop up right here, EOS Digital. And we're just gonna make sure that things are in proper order here. And there you have it. Go through some photos. So yeah, it looks like it works simply well. Easy to set up in under a minute. So yeah, that's my unboxing of this little device. It's not much. I believe it was around $11 to $12 on Amazon. I will put the link of the product down below if you're interested, especially if you just recently got an iPad Pro. This device again works very well, easy to set up. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you want to know about it and whatnot, and subscribe if you want to, and more videos to come. Peace out.